they're all gonna be in random positions.
Okay.
All right. Who's this?
Benjamin.
Good job. Who is this?
Patrick.
Okay. Who's that?
This is Kiko.
Okay, good job. Get out of here. Who's this?
That's Clover.
Good
Scary
job.
Clover.
Scary Clover.
Yeah.
I spin.
I like her wings.
Who's this?
Alice.
Good job. Okay, you only got one wrong. This is Max.
Oh.
Oh.
Who that?
That's Sally.
Oh, hey, Sally.
That's Sally too.
Oh, hey, Sally.
What's-
Patrick?
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah, what's your name?
I have two. One's Tara, one's Taylor Bite.
Okay, Sarah. I thought you were Kittencatfoxpony, but
Oh
okay.
yeah, my name is Kittencatfoxpony. That's my YouTube channel. Go
So-
check me out. Subscribe.
Subscribe. I don't have any videos posted, but subscribe.